So, good day, Ma'am MJ. So, I am VJ Idron B73. So, for today, I'm going to present my final activity 5, which is infrared receiver. So, first things first is we're going to proceed to the given code. So, these are the given code. So, we have here an include IR remote.h. So, this represents our library. So, this include IR remote library para magamit, and we use IR receiver in our Arduino. And then this library also is to read signals from gikan sa tong remote control. So in the next line is constant in IR receiver pin is equal to 7. So we connect 7 sa tong IR receiver module, and then the next one is a void setup. Then so in this case is to have also the serial begin 9600. So in this case is to start serial communication sa baud rate nga 9600, and also para makita nato ang output sa serial monitor. So serial print line, IR receiver raw data plus button decode test. So so kani siya is mag-display og message sa atong serial monitor, which is nag-start ang IR receiver test. So IR receiver begin, so IR receiver pin, disable LED feedback. So we initialize IR receiver, then IR receiver pin also is a pin kung asa naka-connect ang receiver, then also disable LED feedback is dili gamiton ang built-in LED nga indicator. So proceed to the next. We have here also the void loop. So in this case, if IR receiver decode, so tanawon kung naay nadawat nga signal sa gikan sa remote, then serial print line is i-print ang label sa serial monitor, then serial print line receiver decode our data, decode raw data, then hex. Then so in this case is to ipakita niya ang raw data signal in hex format, then also is a unique code in each button sa remote. So then we have here translate IR. So in this case is to call a function nga nag-translate IR, then para and also is to identify kung unsa nga button ang gi-press in this line of code. So IR receiver that resume. So in this code is to reset ang receiver aron maka-receive siya na pud siya og next signal. So let's proceed to the void translate IR. So switch IR receiver, then decode IR data, then decoded raw data. So here is to in this area is to switch the statement, is to compare nga madawat sa hex code, then also ug mo-translate siya into a specific button name. So let's proceed to our case case 0x E916 FF0. So in this then serial print 1 break, then so kung ang code is 0 is meaning gi-press ang button 1, then K0x19FF00, then kung ang code serial print line, so means gi-press ang button 2. So and then same na siya, line lang siya og mga unique ID. Then then so on and so forth. And then also, so in the last one is the delay 500. So that one, no? So that's all, ma'am. So let's proceed sa output. So as you can see, we have here also the output of our Arduino. So this one. So if we try to ano, so we have here the hex code and hex code. So this is the output, no, sa atong mga gipang press. So the hex code C7, then hex code C7A4. Then that's all. Then let's proceed to our wiring diagram. So this is our wiring diagram, no. So as you can see that it's shown in our monitor, serial monitor, no. So that's all, ma'am. Thank you.